መኪና ልነዳ ነው። የሚገርም ላግዠሪ መኪና come on let's see it ዲሲ ነው ያለነው አሁን የሚያምር ቦታ እስኪ ያሳያቸው በእናትህ ቦታው ኤሪያው how beautiful it is god damn I feel good I feel amazing እንግዲህ ከኢቨንቴ በኋላ ከሃርት ቱ ሃርት ፋንድ ሬዚንግ በኋላ አሁን ነው በቃ ትንሽ ለመዝናናት ጊዜ እያገኘ ያለሁትና በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል How you doing, brother? Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Yes, sir. አቤት እንዴት አባቱ እንደሚያምር ይላል። የመሬት ኮርቤት ከሰለቻችሁ የዋ ኮርቤት ይዘናል እያለ ነው። Show them the car እስኪ በእናትህ ብሩክዬ። እኔ አባት God damn this is nice. Huh? This is exactly like a car.
That's good. Yeah, you can stand on it right here.
Where?
Stand on it in the middle.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh shit! I can't swim by the way. How deep is this?
No, you're good. I'm a lifeguard.
Does it go deep? I cannot swim.
I'm a lifeguard.
Huh?
Lifeguard too.
Oh, you are?
No, I am.
Are you sure? Okay. Okay, damn. Okay, this is nice.
I used to be a lifeguard.
Okay.
High school young? I used to be a lifeguard.
Yo, guys, በቃ ወይዘሩ የዛሬ ደግሞ እንዴት አባቱ እንደሚያምር የሚገርም ወይዘር ነው ያለው። እሺ, only carries 2 people?
መጨመርም 3ም አራትም ይችላል ይሄዳል።
አረ
Take a quick spin now and
that would be great.
You can just kind of like sit right there so people can see you.
Yeah, definitely, man.
Where you at?
So right here?
See.
Okay. Okay, so no maximum ይዘዋ ማርያምን እሺ
We can't even go far anyways.
Yeah, it's okay. Let's.
Area?
Yeah.
I just want you guys to feel it really quick.
Yeah, definitely, man. How fast does it go?
Oh, like 70-80 miles per hour.
Okay, don't you think it's better if I wear seatbelt? I can't swim.
We're not going that fast.
Oh, really?
Because
Just
the guy
on my safe.
Okay.
area ይባላል እና እዚያ አካባቢ በፍጥነት መሄድ አንችልም።
Oh, I got you. Yeah. Sure, man. Come on, let's do it, man. I'm excited. Oh, shit. Okay. Do you think I should wear a vest or no?
Nah. Yeah.
What if I drown? ውሃ በጣም ነው የሚያስፈራኝ ሰምጬ ነበር አንድ ቀን
Sure. Put your feet down right here and comfortable እንድትሆን።
ኧረ በእናትህ እንዳትሰጥ ገብቶን Oh God. ወደ ኋላ መዝለል አልፈልግም።
You can put your feet እዚህ ጋር ወረድ
አዎ ኦኬ
እንላለን።
ነጭ ነው የለበስኩት ግን Oh, this is nice. Guys, እንዴት ነው እንዴት አያችሁት? DC
J Money.
J Money. Thank you, man. Thank you, brother. ሰላም እንላችኋለን። እንደምን አላችሁ? ጤና ይስጥልኝ። ደህና ናችሁ ወይ? Look at us in Corvette. We're in Corvette. የምድር ኮርቬት ሳይሆን የውሃ ኮርቬት ይላል። We might drown or not. There's no guarantees. But he used to be Hey, man. It's too late now. Mariamin. They will be confident enough to just jump. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Damn, this is beautiful.